Have you ever wondered what happens to a tiny drop of water after it lands on your hand? Let me explain. This little drop is about to go on an amazing journey. Our drop sits quietly, but the sun is shining bright. And slowly it begins to vanish into thin air. That's called evaporation, when heat turns water into invisible vapour. Can you believe this tiny drop is now floating up into the sky? Up in the sky, it cools down and joins other vapour to form fluffy clouds. This is condensation. Our drop is back, but now part of a cloud. But clouds don't hold on forever. Soon our drop becomes heavy and falls back to earth as rain. It lands on a rooftop, slides down a gutter, and flows into a drain. Our drop is moving fast now. From the drain, it joins a stream, then a river, and finally the ocean. What a ride! But wait, our drop's journey isn't over. The sun is still shining and the cycle begins again. This endless adventure is called the water cycle.
Isn't that amazing? One drop moving through sky, land, and sea. So next time it rains, just smile and think, maybe that drop has travelled the whole world.
Don't forget to subscribe for more simple science videos. See you next time.